Welcome to a guided meditation on Declutter the Mind. Today we'll be focusing on the experience of feeling alone. And so to start, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes and allow yourself to settle into this moment, ready to engage your inner world. Let's start here by taking a deep, slow breath, inhaling through your nose, feeling your chest and abdomen expanding, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. And now allow your breath to return to a comfortable pace. And imagine that each in-breath that passes draws in warmth and comfort. And allow the rhythm of your breathing to ground you in this present moment. And now gently turn your attention to the sensations of feeling alone. Acknowledge this feeling without any judgment. It's a natural human experience. Recognize it as a wave in the ocean of your emotions. It comes and it will go. And let's do a body scan now, starting from the top of your head and gradually moving down to your toes. And as you scan, noticing any areas of tension. And whenever you notice any tension in your body, imagine releasing the tension with each exhale. Feel yourself becoming more relaxed and at ease. And while continuing to breathe deeply, just remember that you are part of a larger world. You are like a thread connecting you to various aspects of life around you. Nature, people, the universe. And though you might feel alone, there may even be someone participating in this practice at this very moment that you are. We are all connected throughout this world. And see if you can reflect on the times when being alone has offered you a space for growth, rest, or creativity. Embrace the tranquility and potential that solitude brings. With each breath, draw in the strength and peace that solitude can offer. And now let's shift our focus to the moments, to the things, or to the people in our life that we are thankful for. Gratitude can transform our perspective, providing a sense of companionship and even connection in moments of solitude. And as this practice comes to a close, start to bring your awareness back to the present. Remember the sense of peace and connection that you may have cultivated here today during this practice. And remember that it is always available to access, even when you are alone. And you can gently open your eyes and notice how you feel. Thanks for sitting, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also join and become a member and receive access to courses and more. Head on over to declutterthemind.com for more and download our free iOS and Android app.